What's up, everybody? Nick here, Go Crazy Pools. Back, we've got January's rookie card explosion box by Philington. As you can tell, new logo, a lot of new stuff going on over at the RC Explosion box. If you haven't checked out Philington's videos, go check them out. He's started to release a football box and a high-end baseball box. I believe they are both sold out for the month. I was not able to get a baseball one, but maybe here soon we will. So let's jump into here and let's see what we've got. But very cool. Check out his website, rookiecardexplosionbox.com, for more details on those. All right, so first up, we've got 2013 Topps Update Series. We've got Arenado, Yelich, and Cole. Next up, 16 Chrome, Court Seager, Trey Turner, Trevor Story, Carlos Correa. We've got 2018 Pro Debut, Soto, Acuna, Tatis, Vlad. We've got 19 Optic. I believe these came out of a mega box. I'm looking for Tatis, Guerrero, Jimenez, Tucker, Austin Riley. Always awesome 2020 Bowman. You know who we're looking at. Bobby Witt, Jason Dominguez, Volpe. We've got 2020 Topps Chrome. This is out of retail box. See, we've got 2021 Bowman. This is also retail. Martin Perez, Jordan Acosta. Let's see, we're gonna flip some stuff around. 2021 Topps Chrome and 2021 Series 1. So let's see, we're gonna do the Chromes. Series 1. We'll do it like that. Why not? Alright, so first up, Hobby Pack 2021 Series 1. Dell, Carlson, Mountcastle. Big ones we're looking for out of here. I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of this stuff already. Got Nico, Peterson, Anderson Tejada rookie, Ruiz, Mountcastle there. Profar, Will Smith, Mercado, Rojas, Brewers, Yamaguchi, Flaherty there, and Chris Archer finished that out. So a couple nice rookies in there. Next up, we'll do the 18 debut. Looking for Soto, Acuna, Tatis, and Vlad. It's one thing I love about these boxes, like getting packs like they just don't see anymore. That hard to get a hold of. Fairchild, Danner, Austin Beck. Got Gleyber Torres, leaps and bounds. Matt McCann, Estevan Florial, Matt Manning, and Ian Anderson to finish that out. Not too bad. Next up, Optic. Pretty much looking for the same guys in here. See, we've got Aguilar, Suarez, rated prospect of Estevan Florial, and Aaron Nola, Diamond Kings behind that. Next up, 13 Update Series Hobby Pack. Let's go. Let's find that Arenado. We got Randy Choate, Nate Freeman, John Jesso, Cody Allen. We've got a mini of David Ortiz. Nice little mini card there. It's cool. Got AJ Pollock, Blake Parker, a nice Adam Wainwright All-Star game there. Take that for the PC. Carlos Gomez and Tim Lincecum. So nothing crazy so far. We've still got some great packs to go, though. Next up, 2016 Chrome. Seager, Turner, Story. We've got a nice Mike Trout there. Alex Gordon. Brian Johnson, rookie. And Jose Peraza. Nothing crazy out of that one either. Still got some great packs. Let's keep going. What do we got? 2020 Chrome? Yeah, 2020 Chrome. For that Bichette, Robert, Jordan. Everything's falling apart here. Mercado. Junior Fernandez for the PC. Kershaw. And a nice Mike Trout. Hitting some nice Trouts here. Take that. 2021 Topps Chrome. Big Meat Pete. Lewin Diaz, rookie. Baseball, Jorge Posada. And another Mountcastle rookie in the Chrome. Definitely take it. 2020 Bowman. Let's go. There we've got an Aquino rookie and a Rosarina. Christian Yelich, Laureano. Got a talent pipeline for the Astros. Riley Green. Encarnacion, first paper. Joey Bart. Got Keon Cavaco and Hans Kraus are our Chromes. Alright, last pack. Can we get some last pack mojo going? Or looks like we got some paper color here. Got Choi first paper. Got a Nick Allen out of $4.99. So we did get some color. DeGrom, Clevenger, Chapman, Baez, Merrifield. Got Joe Adele rookie. Nice Wander there. That's a cool card. Love those bones. We'll put Wander up. We ain't got too much else, but we'll put Wander up there. Peraza, Espino, and Royce Lewis to finish it out. So nothing too crazy. Couple nice PC cards. Couple not decent rookies. Got that light blue there out of $4.99. That cool Wander. Not the best, not the worst. Always a fun rip. Never walk away dissatisfied. Just the opportunity to rip such awesome packs. That's all I got. You guys have a great day.